how to report an accident to Oregon DMV. So let's get started. So you can report 4 types of accident if your vehicle sustained more than $2,500 in damage, or your car needs to be towed away from the accident scene, or any other vehicle property sustained more than $2,500 in damages and someone was injured or killed. So how long you have to report the accident, you must tell the DMV about the accident within 72 hours. Use the Oregon Traffic Accident Insurance Report form to give an accurate accounting on the accident. It has clear instructions on how to fill the section and allow you to print the form for the fillable PDF. DMV site has supplemental information as well. So for instant purposes, if you do not know how to file it, you can also contact the law agency. They will help you. So if you do not file an accident report, or not on time, the Oregon DMV can suspend your license until you file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and do comment and like.